In this video, we will show you how to manage your folders in Refworks. Now that you have begun to download a number of references into Refworks, it is useful to be able to manage and store them in a way that works best for you. Using folders to manage your references will help you do this. When references first come into Refworks, they appear in the last imported folder, sorted by the day they came into Refworks. The My Folder option allows you to create folders into which you can move your references. To see references that aren't yet in folders, select My Folders group and then choose the folder called Not in Folder. You can add a new folder by name by clicking on the plus Add Folder option here. The sort options next to the Add a Folder option allow you to sort alphabetically or to customize the order by dragging and dropping them into the order that works for you. To be able to drag and drop, you need to select a custom option. Once you have created a folder, you have several more options. Click on the three dots to the right of the folder name to view them. You can create a subfolder within the current folder. This could be useful, for example, when you have a long piece of research where different sections have different sets of references, for example, your dissertation. To add a new reference to a folder, you can drag and drop it. Or tick the box on the left-hand side and click on Assign to Folder and choose the one that you want to assign it to. You can assign more than one reference at a time to a folder, and you can also assign your references to more than one folder. So for example, I could have it in this one and in this one. You can choose to share a folder, so your set of references, with other people, and this could be really useful for group work. You can set various permissions, however we recommend inviting specific people to share your folder rather than making it public. You can invite them using their email address and allow them to either read, annotate or modify the folder. If you change your mind, you can unshare your folder. If you share a folder with somebody, they will get an email with an invitation that they need to accept. You can also share your folders by using this option here on the left-hand side. This is where the people you share your folders with can see the sharing invitation accepted by ticking on the folder name. Here you could also find the folders that somebody has shared with you. By clicking here, you can accept the share. Now you can see I have access to the shared folder. Thank you for watching this short video on how to manage your references in folders. Should you have any questions about Refworks, please email liaison@sgl.ac.uk.